Good afternoon, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Buddy and I hope you're doing well. We went out this morning, caught a whole bunch of really good trains for you. We hope you like what you see. Please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. If you can go a little bit further, please help us out on Patreon, where we have YouTube membership, Super Chat, and Super Thanks. All right, take care, you guys. We love you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Okay, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Westbound, main track number 3. Let's enjoy. Got something special going on there. Maybe a bonnet, we'll see. Almost to the summit. Liquefied petroleum gas. A couple 3082s. The 2055.
What did you do with that information? Curious as to why we're passing the buck here.
We're at milepost 54.
Well, I'll let the corridor know, and if they want to do it while I have you. He's giving me a car number here that is not on your train. Let me know when you're ready to copy. Car number from the corridor that is saying that is not rear car on train is what it's saying here.
Hope you like what you see.
SP Sierra Papa 664-262. SP 664-262.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your family and friends.
That's correct. So we're clear, I'm not bothered or upset with you guys. It's frustrating. So that's passed on right as you're leaving that territory. So looking at that corridor says please have the train. Have you got
ES44C4 and an ET44C4. All right, love you guys. You know what to do. Subscribe, hit those notifications. Take care. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll watch a couple more.